Hey guys, if you're trying to use your search bar on your Windows computer but it's either not showing or not working, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with some quick and easy solutions. This is a straightforward one to fix. You'll just need to go through each of these steps to find the solution that works for you. So the first thing we're going to do is check that our search bar is actually enabled, which we could do by heading to the start menu and searching for settings, and tap on the settings icon, and from these options on the left you want to come down to personalization and scroll all the way down to taskbar and come inside here, and next to search you need to make sure this isn't hidden, so you can select any of these three options here. I'm going to keep it at search icon only, which is just going to display the icon in the bottom here. And whilst we're in the settings menu, then come down to privacy and security, scroll all the way down to searching Windows, then scroll all the way down again to come to advanced indexing options and click that. Select the advanced button, and underneath this troubleshooting section we're going to hit rebuild here to delete and rebuild our index. You'll get a message like this pop up, just select OK. You can now check to see whether your search bar is working. If it's not, then move on to the next step. The next thing we're going to do is come back to our start bar and search for run, and tap on the run icon, and inside of the search box we're going to type in services.msc and hit enter. In this long list of services you need to find something called Windows Search, which will be in the W section. Once you found Windows Search, then double click on it, and we need to ensure the startup type is set to automatic delayed start, and you need to make sure the service status is running. If your service status is already set to running, a good idea would be to stop the service and then re-enable the service by pressing the start button. Then select apply and OK to save those changes, and we can then head out of the services tab, and we're going to come back to our start menu and search for task manager and tap on the task manager tab. Inside of the search box at the top you need to search for Windows Explorer, and once you've found the Windows Explorer process you need to right click and select restart to restart the process. We can then head out of the task manager and we're going to come back to our start menu and search for run, tap on the run icon, and inside of here you need to type in regedit and hit enter. This is going to bring up the registry editor, and we need to come into HKey current user. Inside of software, inside of the Microsoft folder, come down until you find the Windows folder and expand that. Inside of current version, and scroll all the way down to find a folder called search. Then click on the search folder, and inside of here you should see a process called Bing search enabled. Now if you don't see this process, for example if I just delete this for a second, we can create this process by right clicking anywhere on the white screen, selecting new, and then you need to hit dword 32-bit value, and we need to give it the name Bing search enabled. Make sure to use capitalization after each word, and then we're going to double click on this process and ensure the value data is set to 0, and we can select OK. You can then head out of the registry editor, and we're going to try once more to see if our search feature is working. If that's still not fixed the issue for you, you need to come back to your start menu and search for run, tap on the run icon, and once again we're going to search for regedit to come back into the registry editor, and this time you're going to come into HKey local machine, expand the system tab, expand the current control set folder, inside of services, and we're looking for a folder called WPN user services, which will be right down at the bottom with the W's. Once you've found the WPN user service folder, then just click on it, and then you'll see a list of processes appear in this right hand box. We're looking for a process called start, and once you've found the start process, just double click on it, and you need to change the value data from 2 to 4. And we can press OK to save those changes, and then we can head out of the registry editor. And the last thing we're going to do is come back to our start menu and search for settings. Click on the settings icon, and from the left here you want to scroll all the way down to Windows Update and press this check for updates button to ensure you're running the latest version of your operating system, as outdated software can also cause this issue. Now at this point in time I'd recommend restarting your computer, and that should have fixed any problems you're having with the Windows search box. If you still are experiencing problems, then please drop a comment below. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.